Section number 2, Basic Concepts of Earth-Sun Geometry. Lecture number 2, Kepler's Law of Planetary Motion. Learning objectives of lecture number 2. Learner should able to understand Kepler's first law of planetary motion. Learner should able to understand Kepler's second law of planetary motion. Learner should able to understand Kepler's third law of planetary motion. Kepler's first law of planetary motion states that all planets move about the Sun in elliptical orbit, having the Sun as one foci point. If Earth is rotating and revolving around the Sun is in the elliptical orbit and a Sun is at a foci point. Kepler's second law of planetary motion states that the line between Sun and the planet sweeps equal area in equal times. Thus, the speed of a planet increases as it nearer to the Sun and decreases as it gets away from the Sun. Basically, when the planet is nearer to the Sun, how much area it will sweep, it is exactly same as when the planet is away from the Sun and it sweeps the area. In short, the A1 area away from the Sun and the A2 area which is nearer to the Sun is exactly same. As in the animation, it has shown that the A1 area is equals to A2 area. Kepler's third law of planetary motion. Kepler's third law states that the square of orbital period of a planet is directly proportional to the cube of semi-major axis of its orbit. This captures the relationship between distance of planet from the Sun and their orbital period. Basically, the square of time period which Earth take about the revolving about the Sun is exactly equal to the cube of semi-major axis of the ellipse which Earth is getting or thus revolving about the Sun. Square of time period is exactly equal to the cube of semi-major axis of the ellipse. This is nothing but the Kepler's third law of planetary motion.